Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Act 2, scene 8 is going on, and here the speech of Selenio. It is lecture number 12. Selenio says, I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable as the dog Jew did utter in the streets. Selenio says, I have never seen such an outburst of anger. I have never seen. So confused. It was strange, excessive, and frequently changing as the wicked Jew shouted on the streets. He shouted, My daughter, oh my ducats, oh my daughter, fled with a Christian, oh my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats, and my daughter. He shouted on the streets, My daughter, oh my daughter, my ducats, oh my daughter, eloped with a Christian, oh my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats and my daughter. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats, of double ducats stolen from by my daughter, and jewels, 2 stones, 2 rich and precious stones. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats, of double ducats, stolen from me by my daughter, and jewels, 2 stones, stolen by my daughter. Justice, find the girl. She had the stones upon her and the ducats. 2 rich precious stones, stolen by my daughter. Justice, find the girl. She has the diamonds as well as the ducats with her. You know, before eloping with Lorenzo, Jessica has collected all the jewels, stone, and precious jewelry and eloped with Lorenzo. So Shylock has become mad. Selenio says, why all the boys in Venice follow him, crying his stones, his daughter, and his ducats. Well, all the boys in Venice follow him, teasing him, crying about his diamonds, ducats, and his daughter. Selenio says, let good Antonio keep his day, or he shall pay for this. Selenio says, let Antonio make his payment on the day that the bond is due. Otherwise, he may have to pay for the default. Selenio says, Mary, well remembered, I reasoned with a Frenchman yesterday who told me in the narrow seas that part the French and English they miscarried a vessel of our country richly fraught. I thought upon Antonio when he told me and wished in silence that it were not his. Selenio says, by Virgin Mary, I swear, I remember, I spoke to a Frenchman yesterday who told me that in the narrow sea channel between England and France, a ship from our country with rich cargo had been wrecked. I thought of Antonio. The ship would be of Antonio. I thought of Antonio when he told me and wished in silence that it were not his ship. Selenio says, you were best to tell Antonio what you hear, yet do not certainly, for it may grieve him. Sereno says, it would be better that you tell Antonio about this, what you have heard. Do not tell him at once, for it may make him sad. If you will say if you will tell him at once, he will be sad. Sereno says, a kinder gentleman treats not the earth. Now Sereno appreciates Antonio. He says, a kinder gentleman treats not the earth. I saw but Bassanio and Antonio part. There has not been a more generous man. There has not been a more generous man walking on this earth than Antonio. Antonio is the most generous man on the earth. I saw Bassanio and Antonio part from each other. Part from each other. Bassanio told him he would make some speed of his return. Bassanio promised Antonio that he would return as soon as possible, to which Antonio replied, do not so, celebr not business for my sake, Bassanio, but stay the very ripening of the time. Antonio said, he replied, do not come back in such a hurry. Do not spoil your plan for my sake, Bassanio, but stay still the time you attain your objective. Till you get your objective, don't be in hurry. As for, he says, and for the Jew's bond which he hath of me, let it not enter your mind of love. He says, as for the Jew's bond with me, let it not distract you from your display of love. Be merry and employ your sheepish thought. Be merry and employ your chiefest thought to courtship and some fair ostents of love, as shall conveniently become you there. He says, be cheerful and let not your mind be devoted entirely. Your mind, let it not distract from your display, your love, but be cheerful and let your mind be devoted entirely, completely to your love and to its fair display in a most suitable manner. And even there, his eye being big with tears, turning his face, he put his hand behind him, and with affection wondrous sensible, he wrung Bassanio's hand, and so they parted. His eyes filled with tears, he turned his face away and extended his hand behind him. Then, moved by his love, he held hands of Bassanio, and so they parted from each other. Sereno says, I think he only loves the world for him. I pray thee, let us go and find him out, and quicken his embraced heaviness with some delight or other. Sereno says, he seems to live only for Bassanio's sake. Come, I request you, and let us go to him to raise his low spirits with some amusement. We should amuse him. Sereno says, do we so? Yes, let us do so. Excellent. And after that, Sereno and Celio depart from there. And Act 2, Scene 9 will be taught in the next video. Thank you so much, students.